Hey everyone, welcome back to Yawnder, the channel where we delve into the fascinating history behind everyday objects. Today, we're diving deep into something we all know and love, but probably never think much about, the mattress. Did you know that mattresses have been around for around 77,000 years? Jumping ahead to ancient Egypt, they elevated the mattress game, quite literally. Egyptians used wooden frameworks to raise their mattresses off the ground. And if you were an important figure, like a pharaoh, your bed could even be made out of luxurious materials like ebony and gold. Let's not forget the Romans. Their mattresses were often luxurious and filled with a variety of materials like wool, hay, or feathers, especially if you were wealthy. Romans also had the custom of reclining on beds during meals. Yes, they knew how to live it up. In the Middle Ages, mattresses were commonly filled with straw or pea shucks, often laid on top of a wooden latticework. So, if you think your mattress isn't comfy enough, just be glad you didn't live in medieval times. During the 16th and 17th centuries, mattresses began to look more familiar to what we have today. They were often filled with cotton or wool and, for the wealthier folks, covered in luxurious, ornate fabrics. However, for the common people, straw or feather-filled mattresses were still the norm. Fast forward to the late 19th century, and we have the invention of the Innerspring mattress, which was a major game-changer. It offered better support and was more durable than its predecessors, changing the landscape of what a good night's sleep could mean. Today, mattresses are more advanced than ever. From memory foam, originally developed by NASA, to adjustable firmness settings and even cooling gel technologies, it's like we're sleeping on clouds engineered for maximum comfort. So, what's next in the evolution of mattresses? Will we have smart mattresses that can analyze our sleep patterns or beds that adjust in real time? The future holds endless possibilities. So, the next time you go to bed, remember that you're not just lying down on a mattress. You're resting on a product of thousands of years of human innovation and history. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating historical content right here on Yawnder. Until next time, keep yawning and wondering. Good night.